Hello, and welcome to the second part of creating your wiki. I'm just going to show you some very basic functions and setup. So you're on the home page, and remember we created the page that has your actual last name, first name, and period. So, I'm going to have 120 students do this, so you're going to have, a long list down here. So go ahead and click on your page. I've already included some things here. Let me give you a sense of what you're going to be doing. If you look at a Wikipedia page, you have the title up there, you have a horizontal bar, you have an abstract of what plagiarism is. You have a table of contents, and then you have your sections as you see fit, or as they saw fit here. But for your paper, you're going to have actual specific sections you're going to have to satisfy. So if you scroll all the way down, see a picture in there, that's fine. Scroll all the way down, ignore the see also, ignore the notes. You're going to have references, and this is, something that you're going to want to copy, not copy, plagiarize, but model your references after. And that's about it. So that's a Wikipedia page. Hopefully all of you have seen a Wikipedia page. So if you go back, I've set up an example. I labeled it test. This was a college paper I've done. This should say your name, your period, and all that stuff. I have the abstracts. I've broken it into chapters all the way down here. And if you click on the table of contents, it jets you down to that section. So let's go back over to last name, first name, period. This is your page that you're constructing. Go ahead and click on edit. Now I've already included some stuff here, which doesn't matter, and I'll show you what this means. First thing you want to do is you want introduction, review of literature, analysis, conclusion, and we'll start there. Alright. First thing you want to do is create a table of contents. So if introduction is your header, you make that heading 1, and that's what I've done here and all the way down. Then click on widget, click on table of contents, then embed table of contents. And it's all the way down here, but you can click and drag it up. And I'd keep it on this side, just for ease. If you were to save, so it's saving, and see it has everything that's included in that table of contents. So if I were to click conclusion, it would jet me down to the conclusion part. Alright, so that is your table of contents. Let's do embedding a picture. So, pictures are under file, and I already have some uploaded, but if you want to upload, you click upload, and you should have, whatever pictures you have on your desktop or something like that, like you've taken a picture from somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. I've already uploaded. Let's go ahead and include the Mexican cession in 1848. So after the Mexican-American War, Mexico gave up this land to the United States. So if you click on it, and double click, sometimes it messes with you. Double click. There we go. So I just started nailing down the clicks, and it gave me this bar here. You want all your pictures to be on the right. You just want to keep it formatted correctly, keep it consistent. There we go. So what you want to do is, so you've done that, you can size it up, and you're probably going to have to test and preview and all that stuff and see what it looks like. But while you have this toolbar up, you're going to want to add a caption, and the caption should be where you got the picture from, so the source. So if it's wikipedia.com / and then plagiarism, that's the page you go to, and you were to save. So let's do that. So let's do wikipedia.com. Save that, and there we go. You do a preview and it gives you where you did this. Now you're going to have to provide sources, but pictures don't count. The only thing that would count would be a graph, or graph data table, something like that. Those are the only sources that would count. A simple picture would not count. That isn't a source. So if you want to add pictures, those are sources plus, but that's not going to count as a source. So just as a review, we looked at a Wikipedia page, how that's set up. I showed you the test page. We went over how to insert a table of contents and doing the headers, and inserting a picture and putting in a caption. Later videos are going to go over plagiarism and other how to put together a paper. Hopefully use these videos to your advantage.